Okay, here with Rowland Phillips, the man who decided to jump in the ring again and battle for Jamaica against Uruguay, the upcoming tie, the first weekend of February. Your thoughts on how preparations have been going so far?
Good. We've been training very hard. Been doing all the right stuff. So I think we're going to be prepared for the tie.
Are you working on anything specific, knowing your game pretty well?
Yeah, I'm making sure I'm fit. The usual things that I like to keep sharp when I'm going into a match. And so we've been doing lots of work on those specifics, and it's going well.
You and Randy out there, going at each other, practicing for Davis Cup. How would you describe the practice so far?
It was a good practice. We've been trying to fine tune a few little things right before the tie. Not every day is perfect, but nothing's gonna be perfect on match day. So we're trying to get better each day and be as prepared as possible.
I know you may be or may not be too familiar with a few of the guys from Uruguay. Are you? Have you ever seen them?
No, I'm not familiar.
No, but you say you're just going to go out there and play some good hardcore tennis.
Yeah, for sure. They're clay court players from what I hear, so we're going to try to use that to our advantage, being at home with the crowd, with the support on the hard court. So we're going to be looking for a good tie and take home the dub. We're going to continue training hard, give ourselves enough rest time before the tie, obviously, but we're going to keep pushing it to make sure we're fully ready, fully fit, fully sharp. We've done it before. It's kind of routine at this point, so we know what to do.
Wish you guys all the best.
Thank you.